Welcome back, everyone. You may be experiencing an issue with your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, whichever iPhone it is, where essentially you're getting stuck on the Apple logo. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, whether you're stuck on an Apple logo or a black screen. The main reason this may end up happening is sometimes if your iPhone had a random update or anything like that. So if you have an Apple logo on your display, and if it seems like it's boot looping or whatever, honestly, I would recommend just letting your iPhone sit there and just plug it into a charger and let it sit there for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then come back to it and see if it's actually fully functional. Sometimes all you have to do is let it sit there and just, update. You may not even notice that it's updating or whatever. You may be freaked out, but I can rest assure you, I have experienced this tons of times. And a majority of the times, if I just let my iPhone sit there, I don't touch it, I don't do anything with it, I don't try to factory reset it or anything, sometimes it just comes back to life and I never experience that problem ever again. So if you're in the middle of that situation, just plug it in, make sure it doesn't die fully, and then see what happens after that. Now, if that doesn't seem to be working, or let's say, it's just not updating and doesn't seem to be doing anything, what I recommend doing is doing a temporary reset. So what this is, and it's nothing super crazy, is all you need to do when your iPhone is fully powered off or whatever, if it's in the Apple logo, is to click the volume up button, click the volume down button, and then hold the side button. So again, I'll go ahead and do one more time. So you want to click the volume up button, click the volume down button, and hold the side button. Now you're not going to see this probably. You're most probably going to see things like, just the Apple logo going on and then going off. So in this specific case, all you want to do is just pretty much wait until the Apple logo comes back up. If it shuts down and shuts back up like this, you want to let go of the power button and then just let the phone come back to life. Most of the time, this will actually end up fixing it. Now, if this doesn't fix it, you may have to actually go ahead and follow the next tutorial, which I'll leave the link down below, which is from Apple. And this is actually a factory reset. This method doesn't require a factory reset. And sometimes your phone will just come back to life and you can move on with your life, which is so random. But sometimes you may be stuck in that Apple logo panel. If you have to reset it, then I'll leave those links down in the description. You can also look up iPhone reset, go to that Apple website, and they'll go ahead and pretty much, walk through those steps. But those are the two things that typically work for me. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.